Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute?
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are good. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved this look. This is a simple soft glam look with a bit of a something just to give it a vibe. It's also really simple and beginner friendly. It's very beginner friendly, so if you're new to this eyeshadow game, new to the makeup game, this is absolutely for you. You're at the right spot. So in the meantime, please do give a video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to click on the notification bell after you've subscribed. So if you're new, thank you for coming. If you are a returning subscriber, buy a donkey. You guys so much, and I appreciate you guys' support. And yeah guys, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so right now. Please don't forget to give a video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video, and let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do, guys, is do one of my brows finally. And I'm just gonna take a spoolie brush. You're gonna need a spoolie brush, your eyebrow pencil, some soap, like a bar soap, and lash gel, and your concealer and your flat concealer brush. It can be an angled brush or just a flat concealer brush, the smallest brush in your brush set, or you can just buy a concealer brush, but a really thin one. I'll show you guys when I get to that part. The first step is to take your spoolie brush. This is what a spoolie brush looks like. Take your spoolie brush and brush up your hairs. First things first, before we do your brows, make sure your eyebrows are groomed, guys. Tweezing the eyebrow, because you're gonna encounter a problem when you're gonna now conceal your brows, because obviously you're gonna follow your eyebrow line, right? Your natural shape of your eyebrows, and then the eyebrows are how they're not groomed, they're packed on here. So how are you gonna get that arc, and how are you gonna like maneuver the hairs, because you're actually dealing with, guys, groom your eyebrows. If you don't know how to groom your eyebrows at home, for Yams on YouTube, and then she has a tutorial on how you can groom your brows at home. That's what I use to groom my brows. I use like her routine, her thing. I'm gonna take some pure soap. This is what I use for my face, so you can take any soap really. So what you're gonna do is just like put it around your spoolie brush like so. Cut the soap on your spoolie brush like that. So after getting the soap on your spoolie brush, you're gonna just brush up your hairs and position them facing upwards. So making sure your eyebrows are groomed is a very vital part of getting your eyebrows right. Make sure that your eyebrows are always groomed, like all the time. What you can also do is put in some translucent powder on your eyebrows. If you sweat a lot and if you have oily skin, you can just put powder before you use the pencil. The soap will help the brows stay in place, and the powder will help the eyebrows not to get too oily as the day goes by. So you can also do that if you don't have oily skin. So I also do that. So this is just a different method, because I have quite a few techniques that I use to do my brows. So this is just one that I'm only going to show you guys in this video, and I'm going to give you guys 21 days It's 21 days. How many days left? Whatever the remainder of the lockdown. I need you guys to get your brows right. Okay, please, ladies, please. Kalakubela. You have been begging for this thing. So I'm not going to go too much into detail, but I'm just going to show you guys the steps. And let's just learn from the steps and just take it from there. I'll do a dedicated brow tutorial. I don't know when, because I'm trying to do a masterclass, so that's just gonna clash. Lockdown is also out here, you know, like the Essence brow pencil. This is the OG of pencils, guys. Well, according to me, to my best, like, this is the best pencil I've used. Oh! This is the best pencil that I've used in, like, and it's also very affordable for my student friends. I think it's like 30 rand, and it really goes a long way. As you guys can see, this is like almost done, and it's in the shade brown, which is number 2. So yeah, that's that. So the first thing you want to do, underline the bottom of your eyebrows, like according to the shape of your eyebrows. According to the shape of your eyebrows. Do not please, no, just according to the shape of your eyebrows. I don't know if you guys can see, but I think I'm close enough. So you're gonna start filling in using hair-like strokes. So just fill in the gaps. Line the top of your eyebrow. Take this beauty brush, move the product. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna conceal the bottom of my eyebrow using the wet. I keep saying Wet n Wild. I also said Wet n Wild. I kept repeating it in my previous video. Guys, not Wet n Wild. Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me. In the shade number 30. So, I usually use the LA Girl in the shade Pure Beige, but it's out. And just blend the concealer out. Well, okay, that's it. So right now I'm just gonna go in with the Rimmel London Magnificent Eyeshadow Rocks Edition palette that I got from Discam. So I'm gonna go in with this shade as my transition shade. Just in the video, you're talking about beggars. Yeah. Guys. Oh, you just packed in the product like so. I just packed it in like what? Just pack in the product like so, right over my crease. So you make sure that you hold your brush at the end, at the tip, not here, because if you hold it here, you're gonna release too much pressure on your eye and you don't want that when you blend. So you should hold the brush at the tip or at the end, slightly at the end, not like here, you know. So slightly at the end, so here. So it probably looks like I'm holding it in the middle, but that's only because of the nails. So I'm just holding it.
Blend until your hand is sore.
So this shade over here called Nibbles, just to darken my crease a little bit. So right now I'm just adding the same color to my crease just to deepen it a little bit after adding the lighter shade to blend, to create a seamless blend at the top of my transition color. So right now, after blending the transition shade, I'm just gonna cut my crease. I've cut my crease as you already see, and it's not really a clean cut crease. I just put some concealer over my eyelid just to create an illusion of a cut crease, and then I'm just gonna put a white shade over the top of the concealer. And you can also put a dark peach just to create an illusion of a soft glam as well. So right now I'm just going over my crease, so using over my eyelid, using a white shade, the white shade that I used just to bring it back in because it was blended off by the other colors that I put on top. So now I'm going back in with the darker shade just to blend into the white shade, just to make it not seem as a cut crease but just as a soft glam. So guys, I've already prepped my skin and moisturized and created a base for my makeup using this instant pore eraser from Maybelline New York. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this luminous glow skin illuminator from LA Girl in the shade Sunlit. So I'm just gonna put it on the high points on my face just to create like a natural glow from within.
It's just to give me that glow under my foundation. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that into my skin. It also smells very, very nice. Can you guys see that? It just gives you like a glow from within.
My dark concealer, mix it with my lighter shade concealer just so I can get a much warmer shade. Apparently it's supposed to be dark, so this is a tip that I got from Mihlali N, the YouTuber.
So that should be okay. So I just mix that on the back of my hand. So I'm just gonna apply that where I have marks. So it's too little, y'all.
Right now I'm just gonna conceal the top of my eyebrows using my foundation. So always avoid concealing your eyebrows using your concealer, because it has to be 2 shades lighter than your foundation shade. So if you conceal the top of your eyebrow and you're gonna put concealer over it, it's just gonna give you the hollow brows. So it's better to conceal the top of your eyebrow using your foundation when you're applying the foundation, because also when you conceal at the beginning, when you do your eyebrows, your foundation is going to settle into your skin and still give you the illusion of a hollow brow, and it's also going to be very hard to blend. So if you do it as you apply your foundation, then it's easier for you to blend. Right now I'm using the LA Girl illuminating foundation in the shade bronze and blending it into my skin using a damp beauty blender. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and set my concealer. How can I forget? Contour. So I'm just gonna contour. Blend the contour up into the concealer that you have. Okay guys, so I just finished the rest of my face off camera and this is the final look. My lashes look so much better, have stuck on so much better than the last video. Like I'm really going to take those 21 days very seriously, and I'm gonna learn how to apply these things because I ain't fluent me, you know what I mean? So yeah guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you once again. See you guys in the next video.